Hi guys, so let's solve this question. It says find the perimeter of the right angle triangle shown below and fully simplify the expression. So we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter means we add all the sides. So it's going to be x minus 3 plus 2x minus 5 plus 3x squared 5x plus y, right? So now let's see, we just have one x squared, so it's going to be 3x squared. We have a few x values, so that is x plus 2x becomes 3x, 3x plus 5x becomes plus 8x. Then we have plus y, there's only one y value, and then at the end we have two constants, and that is minus 8. Cool, that's the answer. Now the next bit says the area of the same triangle shown above is 3 centimeters square. So area is 3 centimeters square. You have to find x. So area, the formula is given to you. So area for triangle is half base times height. So we'll say area is equals to half times base. So base is 2x minus 5 times our height is x minus 3. So let's solve this. So its area is equals to half. Now when we expand the brackets, we do 2x times x becomes 2x squared. 2x times minus 3 will become minus 6x minus 5x and plus 15. So now we have half 2x squared minus 11x plus 15. Now let's further expand the brackets. So half of 2x squared will be x squared minus half of 11 is 11 over 2. So you can write 11 over 2 x, or you can also write 5.5 if you want to write in decimals, or you can write 15 over 2. Great, and that's your answer.